3 tips to help you pass your DMV M1 test your first try. First is make sure you're not over gripping your handlebars. The bike rides itself really well. If you're over gripping the handlebars, what that's doing is not allowing it to balance naturally. Secondly, when you're doing your turns, in terms of the circle, face your chest the same way. And finally, when you're exiting the straight line, keep a steady or even increasing speed, just so you maintain the straightness.